So we got about...
So right at the start of the curve.
Yeah, see?
There's a little wider.
Yeah, give me my $100 back, sir. Got it.
But that's weird because they're both 2414 concave.
They just got more offset.
Yeah, this one has more offset. Mine's better.
Don't be leaving with my coffee.
Okay.
Taquachi over there. Yeah, you see his mirror?
Yeah, no, Jose got a good puddle. All right, we just wrapped up that brown F250. Isn't it Taquache Mobile?
What's up, everybody? Chingo bling in this
Chingo.
So it's been pretty rainy, or it was raining like almost all day yesterday. We're going to wash these up, do a little bit of filming with them. Hopefully get some rollers in a bit, which I guess I'm putting after this maybe. I don't know, or this is just not in the video. Anyways, Christian, did you know that people could win $2,222 to modify their truck or car?
I did hear something about that. You win. What did he call himself? Chingo Bling.
Yeah,
talking about it.
You get. Oh, I better.
Yeah. What is it you got to do to enter to win?
All you gotta do is click the link in the description and click literally like as little as like 2 buttons to enter to win. No purchase necessary at all. You can get a lot of entries for no purchases, no more purchases. There's no points for purchases. All you gotta do is click the link. But
so it's a completely 100% free giveaway.
Yep. And
no buying anything required.
Zero, nothing.
Nice.
And you earn more for staying tuned or like going back.
Doing secret codes.
Yeah, there's been at the time of uploading this one, I think there's been 7 dropped, so there will be 3 more, but they don't expire, so you can go find them. But anyways, off to the car wash. All right, quick interruption before the montage of these beautiful F250's. Giveaway is ending in just a few days. There's tons of codes out on our YouTube over the last like 10 videos or so for this giveaway. This secret code for you is Mullet Masters, MULLETMASTERS, Mullet Masters, one word. If you can see behind me, we wrapped up our SEMA build and we are very close to wrapping up our Kelderman build. So we have a lot of good stuff coming. We're going to SEMA, so make sure to stay tuned. A lot of like SEMA stuff will be on our TikTok and Instagram before it comes up on YouTube, so make sure you're following us. Our next giveaway, I mean, make sure to enter this one, but we got some stuff planned. Also, maybe even a car show before the end of the year here at Customs. I don't know. Enjoy the montage. What do you think of the King Ranch?
I love it.
Did you drive it?
I love it.
Did you drive it? Like
yeah, every day.
Would you change anything?
I don't like the lean.
Did you go full level?
Yep, full level.
See, I think like I like a little bit of lean. So like if you did, so it's got a 4-inch lift in the front. I know the rear wouldn't technically be a 4-inch lift, but you know, if you could cut, like if you could do a 50-50 between Christian's, which is like full level, and this, which is like full lean lift in the front, nothing in the rear, I think it'd be perfect. I think that's what I would rock. It's like a 1-inch difference, yeah.
What happened?
What about that Ford Ranger, cuz?
Why do you keep...
No, the Ford Ranger is probably good, man.
My instructor in high school had one. He had his fucking turboed.
Oh, really? What engine did it have?
The Boxer?
You put a Subaru in it?
Nah, the little 4, the one they come with.
Like the air-cooled?
Yeah, air-cooled. He turboed it.
Yeah, whatever he said.
My instructor in at UTI.
He probably had like an old Subaru motor in it.
No, he had the freaking ones that come in them things. They're 4 cylinders. They're Boxers.
I don't think you could turbo an air-cooled motor.
He did his.
This dude needs to go start working for Porsche.
I'm telling you, his name is Mr. Busimi over at UTI.
That sounds like he started Porsche. All right, so I think we'll probably go let these air dry in the lot for a little bit. Wait for some guys to get back to do the rollers, yeah?
Oh, we're probably gonna have to get like some, cause mine's black. I'll probably have to order some that waterless like,
detail spray
wash. Wipe it down. Cause you can see like you're gonna be able to see like all the freaking.
Yeah. Something tells me they don't deionize the water here.
Oh yeah, definitely. No.
But you do get a free shirt if you're willing to work for it. Anyways, back to the shop. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the montage. We put a lot of work into filming, a little more work than into filming these 2 trucks. Right now we're in Christian's black one, which you just saw rolling around at the car wash at the spot that we actually haven't filmed yet, that we'll film later today. So 2 different suspension setups, very similar outcomes. I'll let Christian talk about the details because I'll probably end up just having to ask him a question. Anyways, so what's on yours? What's on the tan one? What's different, etc.
So on mine, I went with the 4-inch zone kit. The tan one had the 4-inch BDS, and that one had the long arm conversion. Really, the main differences between, for y'all that don't know, BDS makes zone. So BDS zone. I know I went with the zone because I knew the quality of it was going to be good because it's made by BDS. But the main differences between the 2 kits is pretty much really that BDS, because we did it with the long arm conversion, the 4-link in the front. Mine, I just went with the regular radius arm drop bracket, but I do plan to in the future converting it to a 4-link. On that one, on the tan truck, we just went with the regular Fox 2.0s. On mine, I went with Fox 2.0 Resi. Both kits have full coils, so it's not a spacer like lift or anything like that that some other, you know, like other companies offer. It's an actual full coil. That's the nice thing. That's one of the reasons I went with this kit. I didn't want to have a big spacer on top of a coil. It definitely rides good. I did not drive the tan one, but Benji actually has drove my truck, and he was the one driving that tan one around for part of the video, and he said they pretty much drove identical. I mean,
yeah, I think he even mentioned, and this is probably because he just took them on different roads, but he even mentioned that like the tan one might even have had rode better, but I think it was because of the roads we were driving on. And
definitely that 4-link.
Yeah, that 4-link is going to make a big difference. So this is something that I was doing some research on, because I'm, again, not really from the truck scene originally, but the 4-link allows the front axle to not rotate near as much when the suspension travels up and down, and so you basically retain really close to zero caster, and just the less that it's rotating, in addition to the tires rotating, the less it's going to shake, the less you're going to feel when that suspension travels up and down. This setup that Christian's on his truck, honestly, like, I would take this setup hands down every day of the week. But, you know, if you're towing, you're on some rugged terrain more often than not, or just more often than other people maybe, that 4-link's going to be a nice, comfortable upgrade just to take it to that next level. But the suspension, the shocks, I think if you were on the Resi shocks and that 4-link,
definitely, that's...
Yeah, you're at like an elite setup for a 4-inch lift in the front. That tan one, they didn't do the lift in the rear per customer request.
Had a little bit of Cali length.
Had some squat to it. Nothing obnoxious, but definitely noticeable. If I could take like Christian's leveled lift and that tan and find like a perfect middle, that'd be like a James preference. I like a little bit, but not quite as much as the tan had. But I would still rock what the tan one had. But both of them ride great. Fox Shocks, you know, it's a tried and true name. Both lift kits are quality. But oh, and you have the steering stabilizer,
yeah,
right?
I do have that one is a BDS brackets with Fox stabilizers.
This one, you're saying?
Yeah,
yours?
mine is,
yeah.
We didn't do a steering stabilizer.
What is that? Is that really gonna matter for him very much?
I told him I definitely would recommend it, just because of the wheel sizes that we went with. I mean, it's a wide wheel, especially the tire being a 1550. Because at first when I did mine, I didn't install it, and I drove it for like a day or two, and I just felt kind of like, you know, with that wheel being so wide, like it kind of wanting to like kind of
walk a little bit,
walk itself. But definitely once I put that stabilizer on, that all went away. And you saw right now on 161, I mean, we're going down. That's a pretty nice highway. Like, the road is like,
yeah, but you were taking that off the ramp at like 60, 70, and it like,
yeah, like
it was
we were going like 80, and I mean, my truck, I mean, it doesn't, for it, I was worried that it was gonna shake just because of how the wheel and tire size. But I mean, you saw my truck does not shake at all. My steering wheel
this thing rides great. And what was the other thing I was gonna say about the dang it, what was the other thing I was gonna say? Oh, the wheel offset. So both on 2414s.
2414
You're on
concaves. He was on American Force. Not too sure what the name of that wheel was.
No, I don't remember.
But I'm on KG1, and his lip was what, like a 1/4 inch bigger?
Maybe even half.
Like a 1/2 inch. His lip, he had a like 1/2 inch bigger lip, but the offset I think is the same.
I think he's a little wider.
Was it?
I think so.
Because my face looks more concave.
Oh, okay. Maybe.
My face looks more concave with the smaller lip, but he had a wider lip, but his face doesn't.
Both of them rub.
I'm not sure.
Both of them ride great. Both of them look good. That's pretty much it.
They both look good.
It was a cool.
I can't wait to see that montage.
Yeah, we gotta go film this. We gotta wipe this one back down.
Yeah.
But anyways, we're at Home Depot to get a moving blanket to move some powder coated truck parts. On with the video.